Hello Jeffrey, I just need to modify these files for my new way. This is your OnePass project. If I click this next sign to, and the whole browser is refreshing to see this page, and if I click next digital signage, next click this start action button, this button need to refresh the whole page so that we can see the left menu properly. Okay, here is the left menu already changed. Okay, if I click this backward button, this is working with full refresh. Okay, if I click start action button, next click this, click, so this need to refresh the whole page so that the left menu we can see properly. Okay, in my new way, I just modified case utility.js file. I just commented this 4 line and this portion and this selector of this function and this portion. And in bootgrid.js file, I just modified this selector and this portion. Okay. And in left menu.js file, I don't need any of this function, just need this line. Render body, and the left menu JS file must be before this render body. Okay, and I already modified this attribute. If this is a AJAX request, only that time this code will execute, and this is normally for URL link, and this is for not caching in the browser. For this code, the AJAX response will not cache in the browser. And later I modified all the view start partial page. This is the view start of CRM project. Okay, if this is not a AJAX request, only that time the layout will be shown, and this script will execute after when the DOM is ready, and every time this code will check current navigation. If this is not CRM, only that time this piece of code will work and we will see the left menu. With the same way, I modified all viewstar.cshtml file. If I click this marketplace, see this viewstar page. This portion is same for all viewstar.cshtml file, and only this portion is for the left menu, and this is for marketplace. This is marketplace. The same way design, you can see this portion same, and this portion is for next sign. For next sign too, this portion and this portion is for left menu. There are two types of left menu for this product line, next sign 2. Let's see. Here, this is next sign 2. This is one type of left menu, and this is next sign 2 also, and left menu, a different type. Okay. Next sign 2, then one pass. Okay, this is for left menu for one pass. Let's see. This is one type of left menu. This is one pass, and this is the left menu, and this is the another left menu for one pass. These are the files I already modified. Let's test my new system. Okay, I am using Indigo so that no JavaScript will be cached. Let's begin from the beginning. Okay, here is the system. If I click sign in, the whole page is refreshing because we need that form to be fully refreshed. For security purpose, if I click administrator, and only this time the full page will refresh. Okay, here is the best. After this full refresh, if any user will click any link, this will not cause the page to refresh fully. Okay. Yes, if I click this marketplace, new beta, I am currently in one pass, and this is the left menu for this one pass. If I click this market, the whole page will not refresh, just this content and this left menu only. Let's see, the browser is not refreshing. And if I click CRM system, left menu already updated, this portion already. Okay, if I click backward button, already everything working as expected. Okay, okay, after okay, this is the benefit, this is the beauty of the new way. If you click any product line, the whole content page is not refreshing. Okay, log off. This log off button will need to be refreshed fully. Just the sign in and log off button. Let's sign in again with another credential. Let's customer. Okay, here's the one pass project, and if I click this next sign 2, then next sign digital signage, the whole browser is not refreshing. And if I click start action, this left menu will update at the same time this content also. Let's start action. Okay, this is the left menu, and if I click this backward button, already changed. So everything is working fine. Just only one problem with this new way, we will find that if there is any, okay, let me explain. This PDF link, if I click, okay, this is not working. Why is this? Let's go to this action, account, download invoice. Okay, this is returning file system, and my case utility function will only work for text HTML. The content type must be text HTML. Every return type view is giving that content type, and this is not giving. To solve this problem, we'll need to specify a class to that link. Okay. Let's find this PDF invoice button. This is invoices, account invoices. This is the button, and we need to specify a class, stop Ajax. Let's refresh this page. And now if I click this is working. Only for those links which is responsible for to return action method rather than the text HTML, like this file result or JSON object. Only that time this case utility function will not work. We need to specify this stop Ajax class to solve this problem. The number of this problem is rare in this project. I think maybe there are 4 or 5 pages that giving that file result. Okay, so what's the benefit of using my new system? Okay, left menu related any complex problem can be solved easily. Okay, if I need to run a specific code in every action, I usually write that code in action filter. Okay, like this. And if I need to run a code in a CSHTML file, normally developer write that code in one pass layout, this page. But for this application, we are not getting this partial view every time. Just so I need this view star file every time. At least this 2 line will check that the side menu bar is correct or not. And this file will help us to solve complex problem in future, I believe. Okay, normally my changes always returning the view. Always. Let's check this. Example 2. Clicking example 2. Okay, just check this edit layout page. Okay, let's put a breakpoint. Backward button. Okay, if I click this edit layout, by default this is always returning this return view. Let's see. Because this we are not passing this PV equal to true, so by default this is false. This is returning view. Okay. So that we can get, what is the difference between this view and the partial view? This view always looking for this view start file, and partial view is not looking for this file. This is the only difference in MVC application. Okay, this is edit layout page, and both format will work after my change. And what is the benefit? We don't need to specify Ajax target equal to content if what I am talking just this is form next sign plugin index. This is the edit layout, and we don't need to specify this portion if the Ajax target value is content. Let's refresh the page. Let's see. If I click edit layout page, by default this whole content will update. Let's prove this. no ajax target specified here. If I click edit layout, content updated. Okay. And for this refresh skeleton button, only this time ajax target need to be specified. Okay, let's only this time this ajax target we will need, because this is inside the content only this time, but no need this class. Okay. And where if we click next sign flag HTTP detail, okay, this is not a problem if this portion is a partial view, because this is just inside a content, so no problem with this partial view. Okay, developer no need to write this code, and if the ajax target is content, no need to write this over and over again. And the only problem we will face if the action method is returning something file result rather than the text HTML, only that time that link to be specified with this ajax class. And the new way will give end user a nice look. If you click any link, nothing will refresh. If you want to refresh a link, you need to specify that stop ajax class in a anchor tag, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.